morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, November 3rd. Hope you guys are having a great day today. As you can see here, there's a lot of data. It looks like they're showing, but however, there's only one data to report, and that is the factory orders month-over-month percentage for the month of September. So in August, it grew at 0.7%, which is decent numbers there. Forecast gone for 1% and exceeded that to 1.1%. So factory orders were looking pretty good back in August and September. Things were getting back on track and moving forward, which is a good sign here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the headline news. Stocks are way up again this morning. We have 2 days in a row that stocks are looking pretty good. It's taking its cue mostly from the U.S. election. That's going to kick it off today. So we'll have to kind of wait and see. The polls have their opinions, and we'll have to see if they are right or wrong. But personally, I think they may be wrong again. So they've been wrong for the last couple of years, and I think they're not taking into account a lot of different factors. But however, we will find out. And to move on, we got the Q3 corporate earnings. Corporate 3 earning reports are coming out. Those are taking a bit of. We're getting a lot of good reports coming out of those. People are exceeding expectations, which is obviously good news for the economy and businesses to try to stay afloat and try to get out of the recession. So to move on, we got the mortgage-backed securities and mortgage rates. Let's see what those guys are doing today. Down 8 points. We lost all the ground we had yesterday, and then lenders actually repriced for the worst. We ended up closing down about 2 points, and right now we're down about 8 points. So I would simply say that yes, we had a pricing for the worst yesterday, and we are getting pricing again today that it's not so good. We're testing this 100-day moving average right now, and we'll have to kind of wait and see if we get some type of rebound here next day or two. If we get election contested, which could drag on for a while, money could come out of the stock market and help bonds for short term at that point. However, we'll have to kind of wait and see what the results are. But in any case, this is kind of where we're at. Mortgage rates have worsened basically twice. Yesterday, we were looking really good, and it worsened. And then this morning, it's kind of worsening again. As you can see here, a lot of lenders may have priced it's down a little bit further here as well. All right, so let's look at yields. Yields are rising. It's testing its next technical level here at 0.8891, or we'll just simply round it off to 0.89. And this is basically the next technical level. We'll have to see if last time we were in this range was actually back in March. So it's been a while since we've been back in this range. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap. Mortgage rates, unfortunately, did worsen a little bit as stocks are taking off, taking investment dollars. If you guys are in the market, look to refinance or purchase. Stay tuned. I'll leave a link at the end of the video, as well as in the description. If you guys are interested in looking for more information or got questions about things, this will have some information for you regards to different loan programs, etc. If you don't find what exactly you're looking for, I am a loan officer and I work with a national company. My contact information is on there, so I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you guys might have to my best abilities. We've helped a lot of people with their purchases, with getting pre-approved and buying properties, to people who are refinancing, different areas of refinancing, from taking money out of the equity to people who want to simply lower the rate or change from a 30-year to a 15-year fixed. And we've also come up with different solutions for those who are going through divorce situations, to those who have kids going to college, want to come up with some different ideas on how to come up with the financing for that, to people who are looking to retire or want to become financially free. Different strategies we can help them utilize on those as well. So if you're interested in any of those, please feel free to reach out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.